Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple way to make pizza in your very own kitchen. So let's go. First, you're going to need some warm water, and into that you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then 1.5 teaspoon of dry active yeast. The sugar and the salt is to help the yeast become activated. Okay, once you've given that a good mix, go ahead to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and then your all-purpose flour. I'm using all-purpose flour for this recipe. Feel free to use any flour that you have available. Give that a good stir, and then we're going to season our pizza dough. Yes, I love to season my pizza dough with some dry oregano and of course some garlic powder. You can completely skip this, but trust me when I say it is a game changer. Mix till you have a combined dough, and then onto a flat surface you're going to go ahead and drop your pizza dough, and then knead till you have a very smooth and elastic dough. You guys, this is some arm work if you don't have a stand mixer, but if you have a stand mixer, do well to use it. Please knead till your dough is smooth, and when you press on it, it just springs back up. Now into a bowl, we're going to add some vegetable oil, place our dough in there and just rub some oil on top of it. This is to make sure that it doesn't dry out once it is risen. Cover with a kitchen napkin and allow that to double in size at least 1 hour. Now let's get into our toppings. I'm going to be using some sweet corns, some sausages that I've already chopped up, and then some chicken that I have already cooked and chopped into tiny pieces. Feel free to use any toppings that you like. It could be beef, it could be prawns, whatever it is that you like, and that's what really makes homemade pizza really unique and different. For the veggies, I'm going to be adding some sliced onion, red bell pepper, and of course green bell peppers. Now I'm going to be using some cheese slices because this is what is available in my area and it completely works. Okay, so feel free to use block cheese or cheese slices, whichever one that you can get your hands on. If you're still watching at this point, then you're definitely enjoying this video. Do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always get notified when I post my videos. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you're loving the content. Now once our bread is risen, we're going to transfer onto a flat surface and try to deflate out all of the air that have been trapped in there while it was rising. You guys, let me know, is it a complete weekend if you don't have like a takeout meal in your home? Personally, I love to homemade, because personally I love to make homemade treats, be it pizza, chips, whatever, and just have fun time at home with my family. Now onto a very flat tray, I'm just dusting on some flour. This is just to ensure that my pizza dough comes out after it is baked, and using my hands I'm going to spread out the pizza dough onto my tray just so it matches the same circular shape of the normal pizza. Feel free to use any shape that you like. Okay, I guess that's the fun of making these things at home. Now let's make the pizza sauce. I'm going to be going to a very shortcut process. I'm adding some ketchup, some sweet chili sauce, and into that I'm going to add some garlic powder and oregano. Give it a very good mix, and there you have your simple easy pizza sauce. Yes, I said it. Give that a good mix and then set aside. Now it is time to plate our homemade pizza. This is a part that I really love and is always fun. Feel free to bring your children into the kitchen during this process and just have everybody add their favorite toppings onto their pizza. Using a fork, I'm just poking some holes through my pizza dough just so that it doesn't puff up too much while it is baking. Okay, now we're going to generously spread our pizza sauce onto the dough. Generously, I mean. Okay, if you're still watching at this point, you're definitely enjoying this video. Do well to leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not a family member. Okay, once we are done spreading our pizza sauce onto our pizza, the next thing for me to do will be to first place a layer of the sliced cheese onto my pizza. Okay, I spread a layer of sliced cheese onto it before I start to add all of my toppings. I generally just start with the veggies, the red peppers, the green peppers, the onions, and then I go in with the sweet corn. There is no particular order that you should add this. Okay, just go as the spirit leads. Once I'm done adding all of my veggies and it looks so beautiful and colorful at this point, I go in to add all of my protein, and I'm using some chicken that I already cooked and diced up, and then of course some sausages. Feel free to build your pizza according to your preference. So you guys, let me know, when it comes to pizza, do you have a favorite pizza topping? Do well to leave it for me in the comment section. I always love chicken pizza with a lot of veggies, and my favorite veggies would always be bell peppers and some onions. Of course, I also love olives, but not that much. Anyway, now we're just going to layer all of our toppings till our pizza is looking beautiful and looking delicious. I, for one, will always say that food needs to be first appealing to the eyes before the mouth. So when it comes to cooking and making homemade meals for my family, I always ensure that the eyes are going to be pleased with what I am presenting. So you see me taking my time to build all of the toppings into my pizza because I want it looking nice. Okay, just because it is homemade doesn't mean it cannot look beautiful. So let me know, do you pay attention to how good your food looks, or you only care about how much it tastes? I care about how good it looks and then how good it tastes as well. Now that I've added my toppings and my chicken is in there, my sausages is in there. My kids particularly love sausages, so this is like a win-win for me. It's one way to get them to eat what they love and snack at the same time. So let me know, do your kids have like a favorite pizza topping? I guess I've asked you guys a lot of questions in this video. Well, that's it for me. Once my pizza is looking like this, I am a happy person. I'm a happy mom. Also, do you know you can follow me on Instagram and get recipe videos every day? I said it. I upload recipe videos on my Instagram page every day of the week. So do well to follow me on Instagram at Joy Eto. And also subscribe here on YouTube, where you get more detailed videos when it comes to my recipes, vlogs, lifestyle, and all of that. Oh my God, look how beautiful this looks. I'm just going to layer another set of cheese slices on top of it, and this is what it looks like when I am done. So beautiful, and it looks delicious. I had some extra veggies and I didn't want them to go to waste, so I just added them on top of it, and into the oven it goes to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Now, after baking, this is the deliciousness that you have. Homemade pizza from scratch. I mean, delicious homemade pizza that everyone is going to love and ask for more. Do well to slice yourself a delicious part of this pizza. Enjoy it with your favorite drink or juice or whatever, or even water, because this is so tasty. I'm telling you, you need to try it and know what I am saying. This pizza is chef's kiss. I love it so much. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.